What is resistor? Resistor is basic component that is used in all the electronic circuits. It is a passive element that resists the flow of electrons. Thus it allows only certain amount of current to pass through it. Remaining current is converted into heat. The working principle of bulb is that electricity is passed through the filament, usually tungsten, which is a resistor. The energy is converted to and released as light and heat. Resistor symbols. Generally there are two standards that are used to denote the symbol of a resistor viz. Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE, and International Electrotechnical Commissions, IEC. The IEEE symbol of resistor is a zigzag line as shown in the below figure. Why is a resistor used in a circuit? Let us take an example to answer this question. Consider an LED connected to a battery of 9V. Assume the forward current of the LED is 3 mA. If a resistor is connected between the LED and battery, the LED will glow. If there is no resistor in between LED and battery, LED will glow, but after some time it heats up enormously. This is because of the more current, greater than 30 mA, passing through the LED. Thus resistor is necessary to control the current flow. Resistor used in the circuit can be used for many purposes. For example, to adjust the voltage levels, to provide biasing to active components, for dividing the voltage levels, etc. What is a resistor made out of? Resistors are made of ceramic rods coated with a metal or metal oxides. This coating determines the resistance value of the resistor. If coating is thicker, lower is the resistance value of the resistor. What is resistance? Resistance is the property of the resistor to oppose the current. Let us understand this clearly. Generally, materials are divided as conductors and insulators. Conductors allows the current to flow through them as they have free electrons. Insulators do not have electrons and they oppose the free movement of electrons in them. This opposing force is resistance. Different types of resistors are made with different compositions, thus resistance can be defined as the opposition force offered by the material to the current flow. How do you calculate resistance? The mechanism of energy flow through a conductor can be described as follows. In the presence of an active source, the passive elements like resistors will always absorb energy and the currents through them will always flow from higher potential to lower potential. If the same potential difference is applied between the ends of two different but geometrically similar conductors like rods of copper and of glass, it results in different currents. This characteristic of the conductor that results in different currents is its electrical resistance. The definition of resistance can be derived from the Ohm's law in its electromagnetic theory form or continuum form. J equals sigma E-1. Here sigma is the conductivity of the material, i.e. conductor.